together, together. Either, either. Leather, leather. To make the TH sound in a slowed pronunciation, remember that the tip of your tongue, right here, is just past your top front tooth. So it looks like this. The. Now when you're pronouncing this quickly, what you may find is that the tip of your tongue touches gently behind your top front tooth. It doesn't make a D sound though, because you're not going to press it too strongly. To give an example of this, take the word weather. Weather would be the standard pronunciation, but when pronounced quickly, the tip of my tongue will not move past my top front tooth. It will sound like weather, weather. Compare weather, weather, and weather, weather. Again, to do the second, faster version, you just press the tip of your tongue against the back of your top front tooth near where your tooth meets the gum. Do not press too strongly, otherwise it will make a D sound. So it's not weather, it's weather. Let's take a look at our words now. I'll say them twice. The first time more stressed, and the second time faster. Bother, bother. Brother, brother. Father, father. Weather, weather. Together, together. Either, either. Leather, leather. Neither, neither. Rather, rather. That concludes this video on THER sounds. For more practice on TH and how to pronounce it, whether it's voiced, like in weather, or voiceless, like in with, be sure to check out our other videos and visit our website at fluentamerican.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.